Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to show off your Instagram feed directly on your WordPress website, this video is for you. Whether you are a blogger, business owner, or content creator, embedding your Instagram can boost engagement and make your site look more dynamic. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that step by step, even if you are not a tech expert. The easiest way to add your Instagram feed is by using a plugin. So let's log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to plugins. Then add new in the search bar. Type Smash Balloon. Instagram feed. It should be the first result. This plugin is super popular and very reliable. Click Activate and Upgrade. Then Upgrade and Activate plugin. Once that's done, you will see a new menu option on the left that says Instagram feed. Then click on that. Then click on that to get started. Next, we need to connect your Instagram account. Click the big blue button that says Add Source. Choose whether it's a personal or business account. Click the big blue button that says Add Source. Choose whether it's a personal or business account. If you are using a personal account, just log in and authorize access for business accounts. Make sure it's connected to a Facebook page. Once connected, you will see your account listed here. You can now customize how your feed looks. Now comes the fun part, customizing the feed. Go to the Customize tab. Here you can choose between grid, masonry, or highlight layout. You can also adjust the number of photos, columns, padding, and whether to show your profile or bio. Now let's add the feed to your website. You will see a shortcut like Instagram feed. Just copy it, go to any page or post where you want to display the feed, add a shortcode block, paste the shortcode, and publish the page. If you want the feed to appear in your sidebar or footer, go to Appearance, then Widgets, add a shortcode block to text widget, paste in the shortcode and save. It's look great and updates automatically whenever you post on Instagram. And that's it. You have just added your Instagram feed to your WordPress site in a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you need help with anything. Check out my other WordPress tutorials linked right here, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.